that noise? It's practically music to my ears. Wow, just look at that. Look at that plane taking off. That is absolutely amazing.
Is it a flight?
That was literally a Boeing air show. But literally every plane in Istanbul is Turkish Airlines. So yeah, it's written over. Don't step on that, guys. As if I'm just gonna like. Oh wow! So those are the spoiler-ons activating. Then we had the flap-on activating, and those are the huge flaps that are going down to increase the lift and the drag. I did not expect that, but that was so amazing. So how much are these going to deflect? Oh man, maybe roughly like 15 degrees or something. Oh look, we have another plane that's just took off. Istanbul is really busy actually. Looks like 777 Max. One of those NGs upgraded with the Max winglets. And then of course LA. We finally managed to get up in the air, and there's actually traffic jam behind us of aircraft. Alright, let's go. Wow, this acceleration is crazy. This is why I love the 777 so much. And you can see the flapper on. Now it goes like this. We have reached above VY, and I think we're about, I mean not VY, I mean V1, yeah. We're about to rotate, I think, about now. This will be amazing. Alright. Wow. Do you see that? That is amazing. The vortex is flying right over the G engine. That was absolutely amazing. It's flying again. Oh my. A rocket takeoff, absolutely. Alright, now it's time for the front bank that we saw the other aircraft doing. I'm going to see the right aileron going up to counteract for the increased lift on that side. Alright, here we go. G90 spool up. Alright, that acceleration, bro. You know you're in a Boeing when you feel that acceleration. Hit right here on this side, the up, I think. Yeah, the flap-on's going down. Alright. Whoa, he's been deploying spoilers on takeoff. Oh, look at this. Steep takeoff. This is absolutely wow. You could see he's using the ailerons. Yeah, I think he's trying to slip. More flaps deploying, probably. Yeah. Oh man, look at this. Look, it's even generating its own vortex. That is absolutely crazy. Crazy. Just crazy. Look, it's deploying even more. That thing's literally 90 and the vortex is becoming huge. Oh look, vortexes. This is amazing. Boeing 777 is stuff of legend.